Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Traveler and the Genesis 2 E-315. Big difference in portability right off the bat.
Absolutely. The Traveler, ASIN B0B9V9H8XZ, is designed to be, well, a traveler. It's got that compact fold-down design. The Genesis 2, ASIN B07H6188FC, is a full-sized grill, much bigger.
Yeah, the Traveler weighs about 32 pounds. Dimensions are around 42 x 43 x 37 inches. The Genesis 2, a hefty 148 pounds. Dimensions are approximately 29 x 59 x 47 inches. So not exactly something you toss in the car for a picnic.
Exactly. Think of the Traveler as your go-to for camping or tailgating, while the Genesis 2 is more of a stay-at-home grilling powerhouse. And the Genesis 2 is currently unavailable.
True. The Traveler only has one burner, putting out 12,000 BTUs. The Genesis 2 boasts 3 burners with a total output of 39,000 BTUs. So, more cooking power with the Genesis.
Definitely. The Genesis 2 also has a larger primary cooking area, 513 square inches, versus the Traveler's unspecified cooking area. Plus, it has a warming rack adding another 156 square inches.
Warming rack is a nice touch. But the Traveler has those tool hooks and a side table, which are pretty convenient when you're grilling on the go. And it's compatible with 1LB and 20 pounds propane tanks.
Good point. The Genesis 2, at least the model we're looking at, is a natural gas grill. So you need that natural gas hookup at your house.
Right. Now, both have porcelain-coated steel cooking surfaces, which makes cleaning easier. The Genesis has cast iron cooking grates, though.
Ah, yes, cast iron retains heat better. And the Genesis 2 is iGrill 3 compatible, so you can monitor your cooking temps with your phone.
Okay, Fancy. Both have videos and are from Weber, so you know the quality is there, and have great reviews. For me, it comes down to how you plan to use it. Portable? Traveler. Serious backyard grilling? Genesis 2, if you can find it in stock.
Pretty much. The Traveler is more budget-friendly if you can find the Genesis 2 in stock.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.